You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
We also have started a Jamaica Actors Guild Association. We just launched it yesterday.
Awesome.
Yeah, shout out to Cornelius and Nicolette. But it's called JAGA, and we're trying to kind of, there's been unions in the past, I think, out here in Jamaica, but we're trying to kind of, bring that back and just make sure that, actors are getting what they deserve out here in Jamaica.
I love that. I did a documentary maybe about 3-4 years ago on the local film industry, actually, and that was one of the issues that they raised about the pay discrepancy between American actors. And I think, what was her name that came in, how Stella got her groove back? Angela. She spoke about it on an international platform about how what they were paid as opposed to what the Jamaican actors are paid. Crazy.
Yes.
And that is something that you plan to do with JAGA.
Yes,
right?
yes.
To make sure that the pay scale is similar to what persons are getting abroad.
Yes, exactly. So I'm on the board of directors, but our president, Michael, Cornelius, Nicolette, they're all, like, it's a team of us. And we're just trying to, and they're local here because I'm, back and forth to LA, and I'm based in LA, but just with my Jamaican heritage, I want to make sure that, whatever I'm doing in film or my purpose, that I'm making sure I remember, where my bloodline's from and make sure I,
Thank you very much.
Bring it back home.
It's important.
All right, so you've built a very impressive career. You worked with Netflix, Disney, AMC, all over. What has been the biggest highlight for you in your career?
I would say, acting-wise, I'd probably say, I think there's a movie that I recently did that just came out in theaters called Omaha in the States.
Yeah,
yeah, and that one, I'd say it's probably my biggest thing, like movie-wise, I guess, theatrical-wise so far. And yeah, because I think the movie's showing in Paris now, in Spain, so it's like,
oh wow.
But I really want to do a movie here in Jamaica. Like that's my goal, like to, represent my roots. But yeah, I'd say that so far, and then the stuff I'm doing with Disney that's coming out soon. So
that you can't speak about.
I mean, you're wearing a lot of hats. You're directing, you're acting, you're modeling, and all these things. I mean, I'm not telling you to choose, but which one do you love doing the most? Which one do you feel like more aligns with who you are? I mean, everything is a part of, your makeup, but is there one thing that you're like, if I had to choose just one?
Oh, that's hard.
Don't choose,
Because, I feel like as Jamaicans, we wear a lot of hats for hustle.
Yeah.
We gotta do.
Don't pick, don't see. All of them.
All of them.
All of them. So you were recognized on the Forbes 30 under 30 list.
Yeah, I was nominated for that, and that was like some years back because I started a brand called Island Gal, just based off my roots. So I have like organic lip gloss and hair care products too for like curly hair, hair oil, stuff like that. But actually too, my lip glosses are gonna be the official lip gloss for Miss Universe Jamaica.
Okay.
So I'll be there on Sunday.
Wow.
Shout out to we like that.
So how has that influenced your career, the nomination for the Forbes 30 under 30?
It honestly, I feel like inspired me to just keep going and keep pushing, because I have times where, the ups and downs in this industry, it's hard. Some days you're just defeated, but I think growing up, my dad always instilled in me to always push forward, and I feel like, my dad coming from a small, they say, little baby Talawa, small island, but him achieving what he has achieved so far, I think has inspired me to do that while being a good person too. So that's like where I'm at with it, but still continue to grow and learn, you know. But yeah.
Have you done the casting already for the local film?
No, not yet. So we do. So. Not yet, but we are finishing up the script now. I just want to make sure that there's multiple parts because I want it to be genuine to the culture, you know, and something positive too. Because Shadas is one of my favorite movies.
Yeah, man.
But you know, I do want to, you know, also make some films out here that, you know, show Jamaica and you know, in different lights and different genres, you know, sci-fi, just more things. So working on the script, but almost done. Soon come, and then we'll be casting, announcing that, and getting our Jamaican local actors.
You have a timeline for when you want this one to drop?
Probably by 2028 latest.
Okay,
Yeah, we want to film by this year. Yeah.
Yes, I need to
get yourself together. Start your lines. And
I just finished rewatching Game of Thrones. Of course, I'm inspired by the acting. Yeah, you know, nothing Jon Snow.
This is a Jamaican film.
Yeah, but you can't bring the inspiration and bring it to yard. You know what I mean? You know,
Yeah, but remember Jamaican. Is that Shatas is your favorite movie or a favorite Jamaican actor?
I met. Like, have I met?
No, if you have one in Jamaica.
Oh, if I have one. Oh, I feel like now I have to say it because of the Jagga thing, and like Cornelius is like family now, so he's like one of my favorites, I would say. But there's so many great ones. So I guess I'll say Cornelius. He's like,
Cornelius is a chameleon.
I know, right?
Yeah, he's fun. Yeah, he's fun. Yeah.
He's hilarious.
So what advice would you give young Jamaicans who dream of building a career in the international film? Because we do have JAFTA, right, and they're doing great things, right?
Yeah.
But if persons want to bring their career internationally, in film and television industry, what would you say to them as someone who has done it?
Yeah, and I'm still learning and growing.
Yeah.
But I will say I feel like in this new generation, it's like marketing is everything. So I think putting yourself out there and not being afraid of no's too, you know, like I feel like sometimes you get that no, or, you know, maybe they don't respond or whatever, and, you know, you get discouraged. But I think pushing forward and doing what you have to do and putting yourself out there and creating your own content too. I don't know if that's happening as much in Jamaica.
Oh,
but
yeah, we have a lot of content.
Oh, amazing. Okay, so in the States, it's harder, I think, to get stuff picked up for some creatives. So everyone's just like making their own content and their own movies and stuff, and I think that's something that's important to put yourself on the map.
Look at Issa Rae. She was just doing her own thing and then it transitioned.
Yes, exactly.
All right, what's your social media before we go?
Yes, it is at the Christina Cooper.
At the
Christina Cooper.
Yeah, my manager made me change it. So.
All right, Jamaican-American actress, model, director, and television producer Christina Cooper. More on Daytime Live right after this break. We're going to audition for a part.
Yeah, you should have done that part. Jamaican.
There's something about your smile that got me lost in time. It's something new to my mind. It's something new to my eyes. There's something about your smile that got me lost in time. Yeah, I really wanna know where have you been before I met you. Alright. Daydreaming in the store, thinking that we could be so much
See that dirt light trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month, drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Caripest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Caripest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Caripest Limited. Protecting what matters.